Hey class, I had such a great time teaching today, especially the poll function in Zoom. I am going to jump right into this because I know you guys are all eager to start your homework. So we are going to start here. Each man the image of every other, then all are happy, for there are no mountains to make them cower to judge themselves against. We are going to go ahead and jump right into this part. And so, when houses were finally fireproofed completely all over the world, you were correct in your assumption the other night. There was no longer need of firemen for the old purposes. They were given the new job as custodians of our peace of mind, the focus of our understandable and rightful dread of being inferior. Official censors, judges, and executors. That's you, Montag, and that's me. This is Beatty's commentary on how firemen's roles changed. We'll continue. Ask yourselves, what do you want in this country above all? People want to be happy, isn't it that right? Haven't you heard it all in your heard it all your life? I want to be happy, people say. Well, aren't they? Don't we keep them moving? Don't we give them fun? That's all we live for, isn't it? For pleasure, for titillation. And you must admit our culture provides plenty of these. Wow, this is so, I feel like, relevant with us having to quarantine, you guys, and us having to stay entertained. Do you find yourself not being able to just be still and not look at a screen? Are you constantly needing to be entertained? Just check in with yourself. Colored people don't like Little Black Sambo. Burn it. White people don't feel good about Uncle Tom's Cabin. Burn it. Someone's written a book on tobacco and cancer of the lungs. The cigarette people are weeping. Burn the book. Serenity, Montag. Peace, Montag. Take your fight outside. Better get into the incinerator. Funerals are unhappy and pagan. Eliminate them too. 5 minutes after a person is dead, he's on his way to the big flu. The incinerator is serviced by helicopters all over the country. 10 minutes after death, a man's a speck of black dust. Let's not quibble over individuals with memoriams. Forget them. Burn all, burn everything. Fire is bright and fire is clean. I want you to sit with that for a while, you guys, of how they don't want to experience any sort of emotion. How close is our society to that? We are, guys. There's a lot of ways we try to numb out more than we realize. Beatty smiled. Here or there, that's bound to occur. Clarice McClellan. We have a record on her family. We watched them carefully. Heredity and environment are funny things. You can't rid yourselves of all the odd ducks in just a few years. The home environment can undo a lot you try to do at school. That's why we're lowered the kindergarten age year after year until now we're almost snatching them from the cradle. What do you think happened to Clarice? Okay, let's move on. You're going to read all the parts that we're skipping. We are skipping a little bit, and the reading ends at this orange part. Go take the beetle. I don't want to take time to just summarize the reading for you. I do want you to read. So some of these videos might get a little shorter, where I do just kind of an overall general ideas, because I do want us to really grapple with this book, okay? Thank you guys for listening. The homework has been posted, so please make sure you get that done before tomorrow's class. Thank you and have a great day.